right, this is Dad Random, and I've got the Mini today. And for your viewing pleasure, I also brought out the Mavic Air 2S. And what we're going to do is we're going to do side-by-side video. And my goal is to prove to you that you can get very good quality video in a beautiful spot like this without spending a gajillion dollars on a drone like this. That you can take this little bird right here and you can get great footage. So that's what we're doing. We're heating up quick, so I'm going to get out there and get my flights in, and here we go. Yes. All right, Dad Random, little video side by side. Air 2S, Mini SE. Here we go. All right, let's fly the Mini. Here we go. What a beautiful spot, huh? Let me go ahead and get my glasses ready to go. Wow, so quiet. Want to get that thing away from me a little bit. We've been experiencing a drought like everybody else. So what I wanted to do today, go ahead and turn my camera just a hair this way, is to give you a little bit of film comparison and get some beautiful mini shots. Here we go. Let's go in low. Let's go in low. All right. Get across the water. Hopefully everything is working good. Here, let me go ahead and just flip my camera over like this. There we go. Much better. Now I don't have to look into the sun as much. We did have some fishermen out there. So we're gonna get, come on here, get that down there. Get across there. Let's get down onto the meters per second. Looks like I have a little unintended. So we got a lot of reflections over there, so I think I'm going to stay over to that side today. Had a little bit unintended. It must have did a reset on me or something, because I do not calibrate things in meters per second. Probably could change it. I'm staying low. Now I'm going to try to slow down. And I'm trying to stay with the sun to my back so we can get the best of all lighting. That's pretty back there, isn't it? Okay, we're getting a little bit of hiccups. Gotta get there we go. I just got to get my antennas pointing the right direction. Get them. There we go. A little bit of chatter video there. Let's trying to make more delicate turns than I did last time. Just a little bit more. Try to stay as forward the best you can. Especially when you're running at lower frame rates. We're going to go over there by those. I think they're geese. Now, the one advantage you don't have with the Mini is if I want to get this shot, I would have to disturb the geese more than usual because I can't zoom in. Now that's the advantage of a zoom. looking at my some pretty, and we're going to come back a little bit. Let's get that up. Really pretty up here, but wow, there's so much exposed land. You can really see what they call the bathtub ring right there. Look at that down there, though. That's kind of nice. Look at that. You can get you can see the water clarity right there. Let's get a little altitude. Let me get up above. Get that bigger shot here. There I am right there. And we got a boat out there doing its thing. Let's see if we can get, let's go into sport mode. I'm going to go into sport mode. Let's see if we can do a little bit of a boat chase with this. So I'm going to get over there by that fishing boat down there. Stay pretty high though. So they're just chilling. I haven't done any boat chasing in a long time. So we got fishermen there. Let's just go by them. I've got a bunch of little sand fleas that are deciding to. That's why I don't like to camp, guys, right there. See, now that rocky outcrop right there is usually covered with water. We usually just see a couple of things sticking out. I'm actually going to turn around and hit that spot one more time with some video footage, but there's the bathtub ring right there. Oh, we lost our video. There we go. That's the one advantage or disadvantage of when you do move around a lot. All right, we're losing our. Here, let's get our. There, let's. Oh, there's a bat. I like that now. Whoa, now there's a picture right there. That's pretty. So I'm going to get down here and just not disturb them too much. There, we'll get that. Get that shot coming back. And that's about it. I think that's what I wanted to do today. There are some, like I said, there are a bunch of water birds over there. I think I'll get those guys with the get those guys with me with my Air 2S because I can get closer, safer. Just gotta check my map there to make sure I'm on my way back. I'm looking right into a dark shadow right now, but we're coming right straight back. And we're in S mode, so we're really moving pretty good. There's the camper up there. That guy's got the best spot in the park. That camper spot right there. I usually like to fly there if I can get it, but it's always had somebody there every time I've come in. Let's see if I can get a. Let's see if I can get a quick shot real quick without. Let's go ahead and turn that off. Let's go to quick shots. Let's just do a. Let's do a circle. Let's go ahead and select me right there.
3, 2, 1.
I just want to do a little bit of a quick shot here. Okay, I'm going to bring her in for a landing here. This is the Mini. Perfect for this location, nice and quiet. Master air screws got their quiet propellers coming, so if it gets any more quiet, I'm gonna do this too. If it gets any more quiet, then you know, how quiet can it get? All right, that random. The Mini. This is the Mini SE. Just proving that you can take great video with the Mini SE. All right, there we go. I'm using it as a vlogging camera right now. All right, so. Can you guys have that problem? You having problems with your hand landings? I mean, I pull that stick straight down and she does not want to land. All right, there it is. Look at the video, look at it side by side. What do you think? We know we're gonna have a really beautiful image with the Air 2S, but is it enough to sell, or to sell your soul, I guess, to DJI? You know, is that your goal? Is your goal to be a photographer? Or is your goal to be, you know, just a kid, you know, having fun out on the lake, flying your drone? You want to have pictures that are memorable? That's the way I look at it. Nobody wants grainy, crappy, out of color pictures. But with the Mini SE, you're going to get really good quality photographs. You're going to get, especially if you get close enough. The key to this one is getting closer. With this one, you are going to get great video. So, you know, 2.7K, definitely memories, better than mine. I mean, if you look at the old videos that I've taken, you know, from my childhood or the back, you know, we've come a long way. So, Mini 2S, Air 2S, side by side. I thought you'd think that video would be interesting. All right, ladies and by dead random, up at the reservoir, getting a little scared, thinking that the water's getting a little low, but it is what it is. It's got water in it, and as long as it's got water in it, you know, we can water our grass and take showers, you know. All right, later and bye.